over 60% from the field, and he wants to show lahat ng mga bata dyan, all those young guys there, huh? I'm still here.
Yes, and yun ang pinapakita ngayon. Paano mag-perform ng matchup to, magandang matchup to si ball remains with Jin Kings.
Here's Kagiwa with a runner.
Yan ang sinasabi nga ni Mark Kagiwa. I mean, I still got the
I'm
legs
still
to
here.
play. I'm still here.
Oh.
No? Position-wise, alam niya eh. Na itong mga players na ina-handle niya ngayon, ang nakita na sa FEU, talagang mga scorer. So, nakita mo naman yun. Terence Romeo, na-block na, nakuha iba, mag-step up for scoring.
Romeo against Ellis. Romeo with the dribbling exhibition and gets away for two.
Kasasabi ko lang, yung game plan ni Terence, pero he still finds a way.
Mark. Backing down Sol. Fakes, fires, basket is good. Slaughter's a rookie and Japet still considered a young player.
Yes, a young player. So, kailangan ng guidance and leadership ni LA.
Really, you're speaking from experience.
Yes,
Ilang beses ka nag-RP team. Oh, basket is good for Terence Romeo. Alam mo, magandang nickname para kay Marvin Hayes yung sinabi mo, partner. Ha? Marvin, bahala kayo dyan. Hayes.
Bahala kayo dyan.
Oh, bahala kayo dyan. Here's Terence going one-on-one with Chris Ellis and Terence Romeo connects.
This guy can play, Miko. Alam mo yung...
That restores a 5-point lead. Slaughter with 15. Romeo, yes, sir! Wow.
Now, nagre-reverse na. He's taking LA to one-on-one. So, young guns over the veteran now. Miko, look at that move. Look at that move. Hesitation, spin, a reach by LA, and a good finish by...
Once again, Terence Romeo over Ellis. Terence Romeo is feeling it, bro!
Yeah, a gunner is always a gunner.
Mercado, Washington, Romeo, Linganay, and Eric Meng. Mercado on the move to Terence against Kagiwa. Romeo against the Spark. Romeo got it! Bubble board up by 2.
Yun, nakabaliktad na, Miko. Siguro energy factor dito ay nagsisink in na sa mga veterans. And to si Romeo, young gun to eh. Sa tingin natin, hindi pa rin napapagod.
Here's Mark firing away. That's a 3. 3-point shot brought to you by PLDT My DSL, the #1 home broadband.
Let's now play a young gun, Miko. Nakita mo yung move na yan. Squeezing to the defense over Greg Slaughter. And then at the other end, Mark Kagiwa hitting the 3-point shot on the pop-out, showing Romeo na hindi ako papatalo sa'yo.
Although sabi nga ni Mark, Terence is like the closest player there is to a young Mark Kagiwa. We discussed
a good setup by Sol Mercado. Leaving Jay Was on an open 3-point shot. Yun nga lang, hindi pumasok.
Here's Kagiwa. Kagiwa fires, scores! Sabi ni Jay Was, oh my goodness, Greg Zila is coming my way.
And then, this one, sending a message to the young gun. You know, guys.
I'm still here.
I'm still.
Slaughter and Helterbrand on the floor for Ginebra. Mark Kagiwa with 22 points.
He wants to take her. Look at that. Look at the fire in his eyes. Look at him. It's an upper body strength right there for a 3-point play.
3. And almost, but not quite. And here's Terence Romeo, hang time.
Oh!
Yes, he got that basket against the Giants of Ginebra. Terence Romeo.
It's a loose ball. He got it. Alam mo, pababa na nung nirelease niya.
Ayun na nga, talagang tinodo niya yung hang time. And Ginebra still ahead by 5. LA to Mark. Mark fires. Got it! Mark the Spark! He is on fire!
On fire, Mark!
And Kagiwa power.
The Kagiwa power.
This Liberate assist Brought to you by Liberate Liverine Capsule. Helps protect your liver naturally. Be a liver lover with Liberate. You can tell. I know, Kenneth, you look at Mark's face, you know this is all about pride. But Ginebra, withstanding a furious threat from Global Port to win 109-104. They almost won. Okay, we're going to talk with our best player of the game. Wala nang kaduda-duda. It's Mark the Spark Kagiwa. Now, Mark, be honest with us. Ikaw ba na-challenge ka dahil yung Terence Romeo, the rookie, was taking you one-on-one during Global Port's offense. Was that a real challenge for you?
Unang-una, pwede ba tayo magpasapaw doon?
Sige.
Siyempre, alam niyo naman, ako, mas mayabang ako doon.
Yun.
Di ba? Hindi, alam mo, si Terence, mabait siya.
Yeah.
You know, everyone's comparing him to me. I think he's a very, very nice, Iba lang yung attitude niya nung when I was, alam mo naman, mas maangas ako eh. But,
kulang pa.
But in the fourth quarter, when I saw him, he kept scoring. I was thinking, you know what? I gotta do something. Dahil I wasn't taking any shots. So when I started making the shot, LA gave me a pass, and then I hit the three, and that went on. Kaya I wanted to keep on scoring. Gusto kong match yung intensity niya nilalagay dun sa offense. So that's it.
Alam mo, Mark, itong si Kenneth Duremdes, tuwan-tuwa eh. Kasi tinayo mo yung bandera ng mga veterans.
Alam mo, for all the 30 and plus years old na sinasabing mga matatanda na, ipakita natin doon sa mga rookies na mas kaya pa natin sumabay sa kanila.
O kaya kasama ako dyan, mga 30 plus.
Yes.
Mabuhay tayo mga 30 plus years old.
Kaka-30 lang ni Miko actually, Mark.
Kenneth, may tanong ka para kay Mark?
Yes, Mark. 14 points in fourth quarter alone, 4 for 4 in field goal, and 4 for 5 sa free throws. Alam mo, it shows na talagang you took charge in the late fourth quarter to show this young guns na talagang hindi pa ako tapos. And ito yung dapat yung matutunan pa when it comes to money time.
Yes, that's why I wanted to match his scoring. Alam mo naman I'm looking at the scoreboard. I had 15 points and he was already up in the 20s. Siyempre dun lumalabas yung pagka-competitor ko, no. At lalo na hindi mawawala 'yun.
Okay, Mark, siyempre yung fans mo hindi pwede wala kang shout out para sa kanila.
Yes, we'll see you guys on Tuesday. Sana nandito kayo palagi. Alam ko nandiyan kayo palagi, and we'll see you in the games. And I want to say dun sa inaanak ko, to Marcus, get better.
Okay, congratulations, Mark the Spark Kagiwa Vino.
Yep.